Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the CE channel. um, Today I'm gonna show you something that I've been delaying for last few weeks, so quite a while ago. I've done what I've said I'm gonna do. I've changed my front disc, brake discs, brake pads. I did had an issue with them. I'm gonna let you see all of those, and uh, I better shut up and let you see it. So the whole process comes down to assuring the car that it doesn't fall off the jack or anything. Take the wheel off, take the calipers safety pin, if I can say so, then take the brake pads off. Then you have 6 bolts that you have to unscrew. After that, you have one more short bolt that keeps the actual brake disc in place, and then just switch it with the brand new one and do the whole process in reverse. That's the short version of it, but like I said, I'm gonna let you see the whole process.
Perfect.
So as you can see here, I bought a set of front brake discs from Brembo. The thing was, they were not what they were supposed to be. I mean, they were not for my car. As you can see, I was supposed to have this bracket on one of the 2 brake pads on each wheel. That's for going inside of the piston and to help, engage them. It was a last minute call. I had to choose between going away for about half an hour to an actual shop that was closer by, to buy another set of brake pads for my actual car, or I should have put the old ones back on the car, which I didn't want to. So I left everything on the site. I just jump in another car, went very quick to the shop that I just said, and I bought another set of brake pads.
Perfect. Perfect.
This is a real DIY video because, as you can see, I don't have all the equipment that I need to do such a thing, like the whole process. I don't have the right keys, so I had to struggle much to find or to put together some actual keys to unscrew those bolts and stuff like that. So again, is nothing edited, is not, is just what exactly what I did as a DIY guy, exactly what I did without having everything that I need. I just had to improvise. I had to do a DIY video. I don't own a shop or a car service shop. I don't own too many keys, wrenches, and stuff like that. I don't have everything that you're supposed to have to work on a car. So I'm doing this exactly as a DIY thing, as you can see in other videos of mine. And the things that I can't do, I just let them, for the professionals. But things that I can, I am doing it, and I let you people see exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, like I said, it's a real DIY video. one more thing, I forgot to say thanks to monthly channel sponsor on this video is, yeah, me. So thanks to me, thank you that you say you're watching my videos, and hope you enjoy the video. Stay safe.